So just continuing on with task 10 for running the in-house chemistry and the electrolytes, my computer is now loaded up with the results because the results finished and automatically gets transferred to our record in our computer system. So just going to go over some of the results right now. So we have different units of measurement when we get our blood work. So for example, our electrolytes, so our sodium, our potassium, and our chloride, which is all within normal limits over here, is in mmolpl, which stands for millimoles per liter. If you go down a little bit, we have our glucose, our BUN, our creat, which is measured in mg per dl, which is going to be milligrams per deciliter, which again, all in normal limits. Going down a little bit more, we have our albumin and globulin, which is also within normal limits, which is measured in G per DL, which is going to be grams per deciliter. And if you go down a little bit more, we have our ALT, our ALK phos, and our T-billy and cholesterol, which again, the T-billy and cholesterol is within is mg per DL, which again is milligrams per deciliter. And then, for example, the ALT and ALK is U per L, which means units per liter. So again, we get different measurements within the blood work. The only thing abnormal about this patient's blood work is the ALT, which is elevated. So if I zoom in a little bit more, you can kind of see a little bit better. So all of my blood work is within normal limits, again, except for my ALT, which is slightly elevated. So now that the results are in the computer, I will go let the doctor know because they're waiting on this blood work to go into surgery with a patient. So that is how you run a Chem 15 in-house, electrolytes in-house, and you get your blood works.